Now we are looking at Introduction to Mechatronics. Now we have the references of the material there. I want us to know that one of the reference is from T-Level City and guys.com, and I also want us to know that I'm one of the T-level lecturers in the UK, and I teach a couple of courses in T-level programs in the UK, and one of them is mechatronics. So this material has been compiled from both the T-level materials and NY2 Thorndon School of Engineering materials. Now let's take a look at mechatronics learning outcome. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe the key mechanical and electrical electronics components of a mechatronics system. Now, let's take a look at the word mechatronics. What is mechatronics? What are those two words that come together to form mechatronics? Then what is the need for mechatronics, and what areas can mechatronics be used in manufacturing, in medical sciences, in automobile, and in other application consumer products? So therefore we need to look at what this mechatronics is all about and how it provide a better product than ordinary mechanical electronics device. So the word mechatronics was first used in Japan in the 1960s, and this field has been said to have grown out of robotics. Looking at early on, the robot's arms were uncoordinated and had no sensory feedback. But as advances were made in programming, sensor technology, and controls, the robotic movement became more coordinated. Now, this tells us that before the integration of mechanical and the electronics parts, there was a kind of uncoordination before the robotic arms that were designed, and therefore there is a need for integration of another field of engineering. So when you look at the word mechatronics, this is mechatronics. Mechatronics emanates from two words. It emanates from two words. The first word is what we call mecha. Mecha from mechanics. Then the second one is tronics. This tronics is from electronics. So these are the two words that form mechatronics. So in a nutshell, we can say mechatronics is the integration of mechanical engineering and electronics with intelligence to get a better product. Integration of mechanical engineering and electronics engineering together with an intelligent device so that we can get a better product. So that is what mechatronics is all about. And not that alone, we can also say that mechatronics is the integration of mechanical engineering, control engineering, electronics engineering, all different engineering related together to get and to design a final product that can give a better result. So in mechatronics based product realization, we have mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering and information system, and each of these systems are integrated throughout the design process so that the final product can be better than the sum of its parts. Now, in any mechatronic system, there are different components that makes a mechatronic system. But before we look at those components, let's take a look at some of the examples of mechatronic systems that we have in market today. I will be starting with the manufacturing. In manufacturing, there are a couple of uh, mechatronic systems, and one of them is we have the robotics, we have machines, and we have, even in processes, we have varieties of systems that are mechatronics are systems. And not that alone, in medicine or in medical line, we have implant devices. These implant devices can be probably implant in a patient for different purpose. It might be to as in to assist the patient in carrying out one activity or the other that he or she cannot do. And not that alone, this mechatronic system, we have the one that can perform assisted surgery. We have haptics and what have you. Then in terms of the consumer products, we have the home security, we have cameras, we have microwaves, oven, we have toasters, we have dishwashers, laundry washer, dryers, and what have you. Then also in automobile or automotive, we have anti-lock brake, we have engine management, and so on and so forth. So as we can see from my right hand here, this is a robotic arms, which is a mechatronic system. And also this is a CNC machine. As we can see from here, this is a CNC machine, which is also a mechatronic system. So be it in manufacturing, in medical, for consumer products, or in automobile, mechatronics has come to stay, and it has found application in each of these fields.